Hello, this is Andy from Walt Motor Company in Newbury, and welcome to the sale of this 2015 registered Range Rover. This is the L405 3 litre Vogue SE with a Gen 2 engine, so 3 litre turbo. Covered 77,000 miles, finished in Santorini black pack, black wheels, beige interior. Absolutely lovely colour scheme, I've got to say. Fallen in love with it. Yeah, another one. Drives all as it should. Really nice with the service history, and we as Land Rover specialists in June 2024 have done the cam belt service for it, so the cam belt's freshly done, ready for sale. Nice spec car, this one, being the Vogue SE. It's also got the additional opening panoramic roof, obviously sat nav, reverse camera, that crazy parking system that I've got no idea how to use. Parking sensors front and rear, heated seats front and rear, digital radio, television, all that kind of good stuff. Really, really nice car, this one. Let's have a little look inside. Driver's door card in excellent condition. Got the black piano wood, these little pockets so you can open them, pop your bits and bobs in. Meridian sound system, 4 electric windows and electric mirrors. Round to that contrasting beige interior. Driver's seats in really nice condition, obviously electric memory. Bolsters in good order. Quick look at the opening roof. And this one does have a leather steering wheel. The view from the driver's seat shows the steering wheel to be in very good order, all the way around. On the left hand side of the wheel you get your volume controls and menu. On the right hand side, cruise control and heated steering wheel. You'll see she has paddles should you want to change gear manually. And then at the bottom of the screen there, with a little bit of focus, you see the mileage is 77,992 currently. If I bring my long leg in just to start the car up, shut the door. Got soft close on the doors as well, which is really nice. No warning lights on the dashboard that shouldn't be there. Push button start, obviously. Just turn that fan off. On screen you've got your colour satellite navigation. Obviously you've got, like I said, digital radio and television there. This is the button for the parking system, which I don't touch in case it goes off somewhere on its own, because I'm a bit of a dinosaur, that sort of thing. Telephone. And then if I pop the car in reverse, you'll see she has the reversing camera. Useful, very nice. Moving down, dual zone climate control. Whoops, auto buttons here. Press the seat button and you've got cooling and heating seats in the front. You've also got heated seats in the rear. That's all controlled by this button here. CD player, the dual zone climate I've mentioned, rotor style gearbox. There's your drive modes, etc. I hid the keys in there. There are 2 keys for it. The centre console and armrests are in very good condition, as is the passenger seat and the dashboard. All the bits and bobs you come into contact with, all the plastics, in very nice condition. Driver's side rear door card, again in excellent condition, more of the piano black wood. And into the rear seats, lovely in the back. Head restraints are present, different angle for the roof, and then climate control and heated seats for the rear are there, and you'll see that she does have the carpet over mats also. Into the boot area, nice big space in the back, very clean and tidy. Certainly hasn't had a hard time, this car. You can control your rear seat foldability from the back here, and then underneath you've got the full-size spare wheel. Electric tailgate, brings up both ends. Starting away round the bodywork, near side front corner, all in good condition. 4 brand new Pirelli tyres we've put on this car. Near side front alloy, we've touched in a couple of little curb marks. Looking along the passenger side of the car, including the mirror cap, there are no obvious dinks, dents or scratches. The car also has the proximity locking. Near side rear wheel, very good. Around the back corner, all very nice. Very clean car. Around this corner's all good. Your offside rear wheel, these are 22s by the way, another upgrade to the car. That wheel is lovely. And then along the driver's side, once again, no obvious dinks, dents or scratches. Very, very straight car. Mirror cap's good. And your offside front wheel, we touched in a couple of little marks, so all good there. Around this front corner, across the front end, of course, there's got to be a few little stone chips. Even the grille's in good condition on this car. Loving the black badges as well. Up on the bonnet, a couple of little stone chips again. A little bit of road rash on the windscreen, as I always say, every car's got it. And then up on the roof, all very nice. So, an extremely nice car indeed. There we go, exceptionally clean 405 chassis car, Vogue SE 3 litre Gen 2. Nice specification as we saw, including the pan roof, which was an option, 22-inch wheels, 4 new Pirelli tyres, as I said, soft close, heated seats front and rear, cooling seats, heated steering wheel, all the right spec. And, well, I've said it already, but I've absolutely fallen in love with it. So, yeah, extremely nice car. Would not mind this one myself at all. If you'd like to come and see the car, it's in Newbury in Berkshire. Do give me a ring. My name's Andy. 07786 742 422. Thanks for watching the videos. Do like and subscribe.